Here we are, yet another day and more stuff to do. So what we're going to do this go around, well, part of what we're going to do, because I'll figure it out as I go, we're going to get all this lovely gunk and junk and things cleaned. You know, alternator, because the power steering in these cars like to leak on them. Intake, we're going to clean it a little more. And that looks like crap. I'm not even sure if I'm going to need the bell housing anymore, because I recently did a look on, the Collins adapter plates that are meant to go on the CD009 transmission out of the 350Z. Looks like they make adapter rings now. So then, if I'm understanding it correctly, you just buy a 350Z, don't cut off the bell housing on it, and you just put the ring on the block. And it's a lot cheaper. So, who knows? I'm hoping that's the case. But I'm going to keep that part just in case, I misinterpret anything. And, kind of like the same reason why I'm going to keep the AC and the harnesses. You never know what you're going to need. So anyway, here we are. Let's start with cleaning junk. Yes. And here we are, a whole lot better looking, still dirty, still some spots I missed, like, I didn't get up in there. Then, just little nuance areas. I'll probably end up, like when I take this intake, the rest of the intake off, wipe some things down, but I do plan on probably sandblasting the valve covers, the upper half of the intake manifold. Nothing with the alternator, that thing was just nasty. But as you can see, pressure washer makes things a lot cleaner. Duh. But yeah, the goal will be probably sandblast or vapor blast or whatever. Valve covers, upper intake over there. Might look into, was it like ceramic coating or something, if I end up using the stock intake exhaust manifolds. I don't know if I'm going to keep the heat shields on them, things like that. And yeah, everything looks so much better. It'll get cleaner as it goes, but after, probably 20-30 years of grime, yeah, it looks a lot better. Anyway, I'm going to get all this stuff moved back in and move on to whatever the hell I'm going to do next. This thing runs like a dream. Nice and quiet. And here is the wonderful canvas that this piece of art is going to go into. She's seen better days, maybe, a little after she was new. I feel like I've treated her well, but that's like saying someone emotionally abusive treated someone better than someone who is physically abusive. But I'm hoping to fix that this go around. So we will cover her more in the next video. I have to order a number of things. Like I want to order a new timing kit with the water pump, probably the front and rear seals, and maybe find a place online just to order some of the Toyota freeform gasket stuff. I'm not sure if that's used up here, but my goal is replace the gaskets here, replace the gaskets here, but I also want to powder coat a bunch of that stuff. In the next video, you will not hopefully see that all laying on the ground because I finally cleaned off some storage. But that's where we're at. So the engine needs some parts. I've still got to source a transmission. I know where some are, but I'm trying to find it cheaper. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to slowly start collecting the parts for that. And then we are going to start dismantling the obvious things here very shortly, such as removing what's left of the engine and yada yada. There's a lot that's going to go into this. Rear end, transmission, probably, suspension upgrades, maybe brakes, who knows. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Have a good day. Bye-bye.